from tabletop, so hands above, stacked below your shoulders, and the knees stacked above your hips. We're going to roll the toes underneath us, like so, and then we're going to lift the knees and hover, come down. Inhale to lift, hold the breath to hover, exhale to come down, inhale to hover, hold the breath, come down. We're going to do this for a few times, and here the heels are pressing back. So we have the heels pressing back and the chest moving forward. And this time we're going to raise the right knee into our chest, and then we're going to extend it towards the right side. And we're going to bring the outside edge of our foot, so this part, down onto the floor. And then we're going to pulse lightly back. You should feel a gentle stretch in the inside part of your hamstrings. And then inhaling and exhaling, you're going to bring the knee back down onto the floor. Same thing applies to the other side. So inhale, knee comes into the chest. Exhale, you're going to open the hip, and then you're going to extend the foot out, rolling the outside edge of the foot in towards the floor, and then slightly pulsing back, keeping the chest moving forward as if you were doing downward dog, so the shoulders are rolling back, the head is elongated. And then to bring the knee back to the center, you're going to lift the leg, bend it, bring the knee in, and then down.